scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Granular copper changes the graph subtly, but this is quick. Same energy balance, different heating rate, and that difference identifies the right curve. First, the final equilibrium temperature depends on how much thermal energy the copper gives the water, not on whether the copper starts as one block or many grains. Since both samples are copper, both have the same mass, and both sit in boiling water long enough, they start at the same temperature and can transfer the same total heat. However, granular copper has more surface area, so heat moves into the water faster, making the temperature rise faster while reaching the same final temperature. Well done! Option C! Scan now. Don't rush the graph shape. Trust the setup. Same total heat means the same endpoint, but greater surface area?